Good day, everyone. Welcome back to Emotions and Stories. Our story for today is called When the Forest Burned. The jungle of Haritwan was always full of life. Birds chirping at dawn, deer grazing by streams, and monkey laughing in the treetops. But one summer, the forest grew dry and brittle. One careless spark, carried by the hot winds, turned into a raging fire. The flames spread like wild monster, swallowing trees, chasing animals in every direction. Birds screeched as they flew into the smoky sky. Deer leapt in panic, and rabbits ran in circles. Not knowing where to go, the once peaceful jungle turned into chaos. Amidst the fear, a little parrot named Chicky decided to act. She flew to the river, dipped her tiny beak into the water, and dropped it on the fire. Other animals laughed. Chicky, do you think your drops will stop the fire? Chicky calmly replied, I may be small, but I will do my part. Her courage moved the others. Soon elephants began spraying water with their trunks, monkeys brought wet leaves to cover burning branches, and buffaloes dug mud pits to slow the fire path. Even the smallest animals joined. Rabbits carried damp soil, birds flapped their wings to push the smoke away. Together the jungle fought the flames. But nightfall, the fire died down, leaving behind ashes, but also a stronger bond among the creatures. From that day, the animals remembered it was not strength alone, but unity and courage that saved the forest. No effort is too small, and togetherness can overcome even the fiercest disaster. We hope you like this little story. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.